we're back. We've put the dock together, we've tied a rope onto it quickly. I'm just going to push it down into the water now and then just bring it round to the side of the slipway just to sort of effectively get on it and just show you guys how easy it is to get in the water and how simple it is to get these things in, out and stand on. I'm bringing it around because I want to put the fenders against the wall effectively. On the pontoon, you can let us out a little bit if you like. Push off slightly. It's pretty secure, it's pretty flat. I can walk around in it. Obviously this is a fairly small pontoon, but you can see how easy and when this is secured up against the wall or something like that, it's a pretty stable platform to walk around onto. It doesn't flop, it doesn't bend, it doesn't do anything else. You can certainly get 2 or 3 guys on here with no problem whatsoever. I'm just going to jump off now, just put us in there. I would say when it's secured up against something like that, it obviously makes it a heck of a lot more stable, and then if you can anchor it on 2 sides, a bit like when you're on a boat, it makes it even more stable again. But anchored up against a wall like that, you've got a lot of stability and you can put a heck of a lot of weight on it as a platform.